In this video, we will show you how Qlik makes it easy to replace your deployed models. This is important because, as you experiment, you may find a more accurate model, or shifts in your business may make the data you trained with invalid. In Qlik AutoML, two common ways you'll use your deployed model is to generate predictions via the load script or through a chart expression. Luckily for us, Qlik has added a layer of abstraction between the deployment and the endpoint you refer to in all of your scripts. Instead of pointing directly to the deployment, you can set up a connection which can be updated at any time to point to your new deployment. This means that you can be confident that everything in your catalog is using your latest model without having to adjust any code. This is very convenient, for example, if you are retraining your models on a periodic basis, and when your training data has drifted since your last deployment. Or if you have unlocked AutoML hyperparameter optimization, and you have tuned a more accurate model. However, if you have added or removed fields from your model, you will want to adjust your scripts to send the correct prediction data to the new deployment. I hope you found this video helpful. My name is Graeme Russell. I am a senior data science consultant at Pomerol Partners. If you'd like to find out more, visit our website at pomerolpartners.com.